Alam mo, real talk, may times talaga sa DJing na minsan feeling mo ayaw mo na or sawa ka na or pagod ka na. Minsan, hindi mo na alam kung bakit ka pa nag-DJ or ginagawa mo pa tong music thing na to. Sometimes, alam mo, it feels very discouraging, di ba? Minsan, gagawa tayo ng mga mix, gagawa tayo ng mga edit, or gagawa tayo ng YouTube video, tapos walang manonood. You only get like a few hundred views or something like that. Minsan, tutugtog ka sa mga gig, tapos walang tao dun. Kasama mo lang yung staff, or minsan wala pang staff talaga. Ikaw lang yun nandun and yung bantay. So, may times na talagang kailangan mong isipin kung bakit mo to ginagawa. And you need to go back to that. You need to find that source of inspiration from when you first started DJing. When that happens to me, what I do is I try to go back and I try to listen to the songs that made me want to be a DJ in the first place. So, binabalik-balikan ko yung mga kanta na yun. Stuff like, Music Sounds Better With You ng Stardust, System F, Out of the Blue. Yung mga kanta na, alam mo yun, nung nagsimula ako mag-DJ na nasa high school ako, ito yung pinapahinga namin, Hemisphere. So, lahat ng mga kanta dito were the songs that you would hear in the clubs. Pinapatugtog to na Manolet Dario, people from NBK, yung mga DJs nung time na yun. Those are the DJs that I looked up to. So, every so often, I would just go back to this compilation. I'd listen to these songs all over again and be like, ito yung rason kung ba't ako nag-DJ. And sometimes, that's all the inspiration and push you need to get back behind the decks and to just keep spinning. If you want to have a long DJ career, you have to find ways to motivate yourself for times when there are no things that motivate you at all. And like I said, everybody gets discouraged. Pero the ones who stay in the DJing game the longest are the ones who are able to motivate themselves by any means necessary sometimes. For me, a lot of it has to do with listening to the music that I enjoyed when I first started. So, subukan mo yan for the times that you feel na walang pinatutunguhan yung pagdi-DJ mo. Yeah, music has that effect. So, let's not discount that. Alalahanin natin na makapangyarihan yung musika. And sometimes, we tend to forget that music is the most important part of DJing. Not the gear. It really is about the music. So, let's go back to the music.